Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the top m4r converter, which is the Video Converter Studio Beta. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to convert any file into m4r format to use as your iPhone ringtone. You can get this on www.aparasoft.com/videoconverterstudio page. To start, launch the application and then click on the Add Files button so that we can get the file to be converted. Next is to drop down Profile and then choose Audio. Next is to choose m4r. Then click the Convert button to start with the conversion. The m4r file will then be saved in your computer. Aside from converting, this tool can also help in editing such video. For instance, you can trim the video and edit it according to your preferences. You can also add watermark on the video. Perhaps a text or an image will do. And that is the top m4r converter recommended for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!